Hello everybody, long time no see. Today's menu is multi-purpose meat sauce. Let's start with the first, huge amount of meat, any kind of ground, any kind of meat is okay. So ground beef or ground pork or ground chicken, anything. So I'm preparing ground beef, but I will give you a link for YouTube. It's for pork, ground pork. So 1 cup of ground beef and 1 cup of the chopped onion and some minced garlic, maybe 1 tablespoon, and the 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. It's for meat sauce and half cup of soy sauce. So that's it. So everything is put in the pan. So you don't need a preheat now. I'm using a saute pan, large saute pan, and everything is put in together. Pan. So just to put the garlic, minced garlic. I love the garlic, so I minced the garlic a lot. So maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic, but you don't need to. So I'm going to chop onion like that. So I put it in the chopped onions a little bit more. Pan. So now I'm going to measure. So first, half cup of soy sauce. Half cup. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Everything in it. It's very simple, right? And turn on the pan, medium low heat, and a little bit of cover the lid, and we are waiting for the lid. The lid is lifting, fluttering. So until then, we can just wait. I'm going to prepare the another menu, bibimbap. So if you have any veggies, you can put it in the pan. So like I have the bean sprout. It is called 콩나물 in Korean. So put it in here. Onion for this. I have radish, Korean radish, just a little bit. Actually, for bibimbap, usually we stir fried every veggies, chopped every veggie, thinly, and then we stir fried a lot. So with the cookware, you don't need to do. Just okay. And for color, I'm chopped carrot. For my YouTube channel, I'm using asparagus too. It tastes good also. I'm prepare the enoki mushroom. So cut it like that. That's it. So now I'm waiting for the meat sauce. You don't need to start bibimbap veggies. So when you are done with the meat sauce, after we are making the meat sauce, and then it's optional. if you have a green onion, I have a green onion. So it tastes better if you put the green onion in the meat sauce. And put the pan. Oh, it's flattering. Maybe around 5 minutes, then you can have it like thoroughly. Voila. So now it's time to put the green onion. So it's optional if you don't need to. But I like the green onion and the smell of green onion. So maybe next week I'm using this sauce. So like that. You can put in the this one making the meat sauce. Put it in the container and then cool down and put it in the refrigerator for 1 week. You can use, and for this time is for bibimbap. So I can put this one. If you have meat sauce, make like that. So with turn on the heat, medium low heat, and then cover. Then around 10 minutes later, we can see. We can also check the lid is flattering. It's time to stir. Okay, so you already learned how to make the veggies with the meat sauce, right? So I can leave like that. And then last time, around 10 minutes later, you can see the lid is flattering. You can put if you have a spinach, put in the spinach in there and then mix together, and then a little bit of salt and the sesame oil, and then mix well. And then with the rice. So that's it. Okay, see you next time. Bye.